Hey everyone, how are you? I'm good. Today I will go to see some the cooler place because in America now so hot in the summertime is the high temperature about 90 or sometimes it's 100. Okay, let's go. Do you know what we see today? We see the bear. So exciting. Look at him. So cute, I think. Wow, so lucky. Here we are. You see Otter Lake waterfall. Wow, so awesome. It's cool here. I think we can swim in there. I have seen some people swimming, but get try. Let's go. Oh, not so far from road. It's a really nice place. Wow, nice in nature. Let's see. You see a lot of shade in here. Not so hot. Wow, so exciting there. Really nice. We can walk along on the trail beside the creek. It's really cool here. Really nice and cool here. I love this place. I enjoy this place. I hope you enjoy this video too. See you next time. Bye bye.